Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and you are here for SandraStitches. I am a crochet designer and today I'm going to go over a few patterns, designs I have free on my blog that I think are going to be great for gifting. If you're starting to think about gifting, Christmas in July things, you want to continue and watch this video because I'm going to talk about each and every one of them, and you'll see they are simple, they are gorgeous, and I think they can make a great gift. So let's get started. But before we start, subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, so the first one that I want to show you is my headband, Fiesta Headband. Now look at this beauty. You can never go wrong with the headband, right? For the summer, for the winter, for the fall, for autumn, whatever season you're in, you can always make a headband. Now this one is really simple, but it has kind of a texture and a really nice stitch pattern here, like a cable, but it's called mock cable, Jacob's ladder, all different kind of names. You can find the free pattern on my blog. It's part of a set. I have the Fiesta headband and I also have a Fiesta shawl, Fiesta scarf, a really big and chunky and oversized scarf. If you want to make them both, so go to my channel, my website, and find them. I will link all patterns, everything I talk about. The links will be in the description box below. So this is the first one, the Fiesta headband. Look how beautiful. I use here a variegated yarn. Usually when I use variegated yarn, I don't do a lot of stitch patterns, a lot of texture things, because then I don't know, it doesn't show, it's too busy because of the colors of the yarn. But this one was so gorgeous that it turned out amazing. All right, pattern number 2 is a quick half an hour, even less, crochet pattern that you can make for gifting, and I think it's really cute, and you can make it in as many colors as you want. This is the Crochet Loofah, right? So of course you will have to use cotton yarn for this because we want to use it in our bath, like bathing, right? So with soap and water and everything, we need cotton yarn. So it's absorbent, you can wash it, you can throw it to the washer and dryer, and everything is fine. So it's 100% cotton. You can make these in any color, any cotton yarn that you have. There is a free pattern on my blog, and also there is I will link somewhere here, there is a free Crochet with Me the loofah whole video that we did. I went live and in my community, and we crocheted this together, so it's so much fun. I will link it here somewhere. So this is the second crochet, the pattern that I think it can be really nice for gifting. Just think about it. If you make 3 or 4 in different colors and you add a little, a soap or a kind of set of shampoo, conditioner, or body shower soap and everything, and you add these handmade loofahs. I think it's a great gift, and it really is very easy and not so much time consuming. All right, let's move to our next crochet gift idea. Now we're going to our legs. All right, so this is my Greenpeace. I call them the Greenpeace because I use this green color. It's kind of an army color yarn. It's a yarn that stretches. It has some kind of elastic inside the yarn. Actually, I found it in the dollar store. I have no idea the composition of the yarn exactly, but it does stretch. It does have some kind of elastic in it. And I made these gorgeous socks. So, and I use this Y stitch that I love this stitch. So it makes it really meshy, and yeah, look at it. I won't show you my feet, but you can imagine it on your feet. All right, so there is the free pattern on my blog. What can I say? Who doesn't love socks, and especially mesh socks? I think if you don't find yarn with elastic in it, which probably you can, but any even cotton yarn or acrylic blend with cotton yarn would be great. I wouldn't go to a wool yarn because this is a mesh sock, not so much for the winter. It will be more like an aesthetic kind of fashion statement thing, accessory. If you don't have the wool, the yarn with the elastic in it, so you can crochet it and then put some elastic around here the top, so you can make it grab your leg. So this is the third crochet gift idea I have for you, my Greenpeace socks. Everything, as I said, will be linked. Every pattern will be linked in the description box below. Now let's move to the next one. For this one, I have something that I really enjoyed making, but I did not, for the sample that I made, I did not have enough yarn in all the colors, so it came out a little bit short, but it doesn't really matter. This is so simple and it turns out so beautiful. It's the Tartan Scarf. Now look at this beauty, okay? And you will not believe how easy, super easy this is. All you have to do is double crochet window stitches all across row after row after row after row after row, and then you insert within the yarn across all the way. So you format these tartan style color waves, color whatever, however you call it in English. All right, so this is amazing. The free pattern is on my blog. You can make a blanket with it, you can make a scarf with it, you can make, whatever you want. It's super simple. I wish I had more yarn in these colors so I could make a longer scarf, but even this one, which is not very long, is really nice. Of course, you can add tassels at the end, you can add fringe, you can add anything, and you can just not add anything and leave it without. It's up to you really. So this is the Tartan Scarf pattern. All right, let's move to our next one. So this is a really fun one because it's a collection. Now this one has 3 different patterns in a collection that you can make the whole collection, or you can make just one of them or 2 of them, whatever you want. And it's called my Raspberry collection. The collection has a beanie, right? A beanie, fingerless gloves, and we also have a cowl, a small cowl that we can, okay, let's put the beanie out, use this cowl, a really cute cowl, and the beanie. All right, how about this? All of them are using the same V-stitch combination, and I don't know, I love this color. I love this idea of gifting somebody a whole set of things. But of course, just let me take it out because it's so hot here. But of course, you can decide if you want to make just the fingerless gloves, just the cowl, or just the beanie, or any combination of the 3 of them. I think it's really, really pretty. I use acrylic, a 100% acrylic yarn in this color raspberry with a 5mm hook. It's a weight for yarn, so you know, any kind of yarn that you have, you can use with it. If you use a different weight, so please make a gouge, please calculate your stitches so it doesn't, you know, the size is all right for you. So this is the Raspberry collection. Of course, for the beanie you can add a pom-pom if you want. I did not add a pom-pom, but you can add a pom-pom. You can you know, decide which one of the sets you're going to make. I love this set, and all the patterns are free on my blog. As I said, in the description there are going to be links. And now to our last pattern, crochet project. I think it's going to be great for gifting. It's my everyday, let's go, not everyday, sorry, let's go bag. This one is, look at it, okay? Just look at the stitch combination. It's small, it's cute, it's easy, it uses 2 stitches. One is the single crochet X stitch, and one is the waistcoat stitch, which is almost also single crochet. So it's very, very sturdy, as you can see, even that I used acrylic yarn, so you do not have to line it. There is no need to line this bag. Look how sturdy it is. There is no way something is going to fall through the holes or anything. And the handles and everything, okay, I have to weave in this end. Somehow I did not, but I love it. And also I love the size of it, because it's not too big, it's not very small, it's just the size that you need when you go out and you just want to take your phone, your keys, your sunglasses, your hat or whatever and put it in. So it's the perfect size. All right, these are my ideas for crochet projects that you can gift. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to build up my channel and to grow it, so it will mean the world to me if you subscribe, and of course if you leave a comment and tell me which one you liked the most. I hope you enjoyed it and you are going to make at least one or two of them for your next gifting season. I'll see you next time.